Whether you live in a hot or cold climate, awnings are a valuable addition to any home, offering year-round benefits and long-term energy savings. Investing in high-quality awnings is a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency and save on utility costs. Modern awnings perfectly align with the principles of modern home design. They offer a harmonious blend of functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability, making them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking to enhance the beauty and functionality of their modern dwellings. At WS Awnings, we offer a wide selection of high-quality and customizable awnings.